Analyzing biometrics. Tracking your location. Analyzing biometrics. Blending materials. Customizing your experience. Welcome to Liquid Lab.
Good morning, good morning. Well, actually, hello, afternoon. Happy afternoon. We're back. Oh man, I just felt like, I felt like I didn't spend enough time with you guys today, so thought I'd come back for a little bit more, a little bit of afternoon action. Can we make some more money here? Someone said boring day on the Nasdaq. I mean, that fucking move down got to right where we thought it would go, down there to that pivot point. The head and shoulders play this morning played out beautifully. We talked about the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, the neckline. We broke the downside. And well, you can see the move. It went. It went, it went, it went. Someone, did I delete the live from earlier? No, it's still there. Good news is we got D-Money coming in tomorrow. We got D-Money coming tomorrow. Oh, buddy. We got D-Money coming tomorrow. Reena's out. She decided that she wanted to go on Twitter and talk a bunch of shit after the live stream. And I said, well, I mean, well, if you want to, that's fine. Talk shit, but you're not welcome back here. It just makes no sense to me. It's just like, for what? I'd rather focus on having good energy and having, you know, good people here than trying to make her happy. And that's all we've done. It has literally been nothing but me trying to make Reena happy. For what? For, you know, for what? Like, to have her on stream, like, I gain nothing from her. She acts like I'm gaining something from her, but like, not one person on this fucking planet gave a fuck that she was on the live stream. So what is she saying? She's just talking shit on Twitter for no reason. Like, we hugged it out, and then afterwards she goes and sits on Twitter talking shit in the hotel room that I paid for, you know, like, whatever. I get it, you know, talk your shit, but like, why do it after the fact? Why wait till after the live stream to go talk shit? No, Terry, Reena is not, no, Terry's great. I love Terry. Terry's been great. She's been very, very high spirited. She's been very, you know, talkative, and yeah, no, Terry's been great. I think everyone has enjoyed Terry. So yeah, it has nothing to do, like, someone's gonna be like, yeah, you just hate female traders. Again, I'm all for female traders. I think, like I said, I love Terry. She's been great. She's been a great sport. She's had, you know, losing trades, and she smiled about it, and like, she's not getting upset. She's not crying. She's not fucking being a child, you know? So it has nothing to do with me not liking women traders. So anybody who's gonna be like, you just mad that she's a woman, I mean, like, I'm team Terry. I'm all for it. Like, hell yeah, Terry killing it. Someone said I'm a difficult character to get along with. I mean, I don't think so. I've had plenty of traders come to the BDH, and I have not had one person cry on the live stream. I gave money to Reena for food. I literally paid for a hotel, paid for a plane ticket. I've done everything. And I'm the terrible person. Yeah, it's just crazy. I'm gonna have to write Terry a check. $25,000. You're gonna have to get 1099 for that. Can't be giving away $25,000 with no taxes, unfortunately. How do we select the traders? Honestly, it was just not many people signed up for it. Not many people signed up for it. That was the problem. I don't know. Hey, again, I get it. Everyone's got their different beliefs, you know. Just like the comment I made yesterday where, you know, Reena was talking about her political beliefs and how we're different, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, well, I mean, you're broke and I'm rich. So I guess being a liberal, you know, you get that benefit. You know, it's great. You know, you know, to be a left-wing liberal, you pretty much just tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded. All right, right now the Nasdaq just kind of sitting here, 24,700 area. We had a high 750s. You got that pivot point right there as well. So and again, like I could have been a lot gnarlier today when she had a full fucking meltdown and walked outside crying. Like I could have been a real asshole, but I didn't. I even went outside and like begged her to come back and just kind of suck it up. She cried yesterday after the live stream as well. And both times, literally, Ginger has done nothing but been accommodating to her. Ginger went and got Tylenol and brought it to the BDH for her. It's just like, I'm not gonna like, she's texting Ginger like and stuff. And it's like, these are my employees. These are my people. Like, have some respect. Don't go on Twitter and talk shit after the fact, you know? If you have an issue, talk about it in real life like adults. I mean, obviously, I talk shit on Twitter, but it's different, right? When I talk shit, it's different. But like, you know, it's not like I don't go to someone's house and then, you know, cry at their house and then go on Twitter and talk about it. And then she was posting about how the fact that I didn't pay for all of her accounts that she blew up. I mean, I gave her $250 on today to pay for the account that she bought on Monday, but like I didn't know I was responsible for her trading accounts. All right, so the Nasdaq, we kind of broke out here. We pushed back up. We had this big move down. Now it's like just kind of this fucking chop zone here, huh? Do we start to roll through here now? ES is kind of moving down. Nasdaq's trying to move down. The $1 million question here. I don't know why my camera's all weird right now. Yeah, like I said, Terry's been great. Like, it's almost like I feel awkward when she gives me compliments because I'm like, it's like a weird thing to hear somebody talk, to say nice things about me, you know? Like, I'm kind of like, oh, fuck. Like, but like, I didn't tell her to say anything, and she's, you know, obviously done her own thing. So. All right, I'm just kind of like, is this gonna, I feel like this being a short here might be the play, but we're, you know, what are we thinking? What are we thinking? What do we got? Bear flagging on the 15-minute chart. You are right. I just wonder, like, if we're not like too overextended to the down. I mean, we're only down 0.49%, so definitely could make a move down. We've got a sale going on right now. There's a new company. I don't know if we call them a new company, but we got Legends Trading, which is actually backed by a broker. So I wouldn't really call them a new to the space, but they're a little new, I guess, to the overall space. Not even really new, but just not really talked about. Right now, they're 80% off the 50K eval. It's just $37. There is an activation fee, but if you're looking for cheap evals, that might be an option. I think you can trade up to 10 accounts. The nice thing, I will give them credit for this, the fact that Legends allows you to buy like 10 accounts at one time. It's pretty sick, honestly. So when you go to check out, you can actually select how many accounts you want. So just like one purchase, you can buy 5 accounts, which I'm not saying to go buy 5 accounts, but anybody who's been buying Apex accounts for a while, you'd be like, that's pretty sick. You know, I'd be like liking that. I'd be like, oh, I like that. I'd be liking that. You know what I mean? I'd be like, man, if I had $1 for every hour that I had to spend in my life activating and buying Apex accounts, I would be rich. Yeah, Terry Trades will be here tomorrow. We got D Money coming tomorrow as well. So we got Terry Trades, D Money. Should be a really great time. Good energy, good people, and hopefully make some good money tomorrow. Back to the normal life of the world. Does Legends have end of day drawdown? I believe so. Let me go look at this actually. I'm pretty sure. God, this fucking, I am so over two-factor authentication. What the fuck is, it's like every fucking website. Two-factor. Fuck your two-factor. I don't want the two-factor authentication. I'd rather have less security and more fucking, less security, less activation. All right, I'm pulling up right now. I'm an idiot. All right, so, dude, I don't know why my computer is getting all crazy over here, all crazy. So they have 2 different options. They've got the apprentice account. It is end of day trailing loss on the evals. You've got a couple of different options here, and like I said, you can buy multiple, which is like, oh my god, it's amazing. But they are 80% off right now. So the 50K is basically $37. 4 days to pass, $2,000 end of day trailing loss, $3,000 profit target. Very much the same as like all the other prop firms. And right now, Nasdaq, just like, is it gonna go? Is it gonna go, chat? What do you think? Anybody know? Anyone got insider info? End of day bleed out? I kind of want to get short, but I'm like a little worried of the higher time frame. Just kind of like, we hit all the targets down there, but who knows? Let's see if we can get some more. Anybody got an idea here? I see like, it's kind of scary. It's kind of scary, man. Might be one of those trades where you just got to get into it, right? You get in short and then you just let it ride. You know, you just let it ride, maybe. That might be the play. This thing wants to go. Kind of like, let me see what happens here. It wants it. It's trying. It's trying, chat. It is absolutely trying right now, but is the move done? Are we tapped out here? Are we tapped out here? Kind of like down there, the 700s now. I'm gonna try it. Stop. We're gonna risk kind of like off this 720 area. Might be a bad entry here, but we're lining up for this move down. We'll see. I kind of want to like give this some room here. At least like 680 area, right? Like at least minimum. Could we go all the way down low of day? Maybe. Someone said, "Do not bring Reena tomorrow." Don't worry, she's not coming tomorrow. All right, there we go. Through the 700s now. We are short, looking for this move down. Just gonna give it a little bit of room. Nice little play here. Everything lining up, kind of a head and shoulders there on the bigger time frames. Just letting her ride. Hands up in the air. I know. Count on you. But I just don't care. I mean, at the end of the day, like, you can hate on me all you want. Reena can say whatever she wants, but like, I gave her an opportunity to come to the BDH, make $25,000. I paid for everything. You know, I didn't have to do any of that stuff. I did all that out of, you know, my own choice. So haters are gonna hate, players are gonna play. This is kind of where I might have gotten covered, but let's see if we get maybe a little lower here, I guess. Like I said, it's just like, why does she feel the need to go on Twitter and like try to come at me? You know, like what did she gain from that? Like, what are you gaining by going on Twitter and like talking shit and posting text messages and just like, you know, what do you gain from that? It's not going to make anything better. And it's like, she basically just went on Twitter and started talking shit after everything, just to try to like be funny and like thought she's a badass. And I think we all know who gonna win that war, you know? There can only be one big dick at the BDH, baby. Only one big dick. And it's me. Okay, it's me. Yes, after this morning, she went on Twitter and started ranting and having whatever fucking female energy she had going on there. Yesterday, she didn't even want to come to the BDH today. She, like, we literally had to beg her to come today. Reena is not the Chinese one. No, that's Terry. Terry Trades. Come on now. She got all sad. She got all sad, she said, because the chat was being mean yesterday. Fuck. Should we have taken profit there at the 80s? I'm a little worried about this chop zone here now. If this pushes back up here, you got kind of a double bottom on the YM, a double bottom kind of on the ES right now. Well, I mean, I told her day one, I'm like, do not expect the chat to be like your best friend. Like, if you do something stupid, they're gonna call you out. It's just like, that's how it goes. I can't help it. If you talk about crystals and you're trading, you know, expect people in the chat to maybe make fun of you. You know? Fucking A, Nasdaq. But yes, we love Terry. Terry. Now, Terry's been great. The best part is, like, she'll literally put on a trade and she'll have a losing trade or whatever, and she just, like, she takes it. She just smiles and goes, yeah, okay, I got stopped out. But it's not like she doesn't have a full meltdown every time if she has a losing trade. And, like, my whole thing this morning that I was, like, arguing with Reena about is just, like, she's sitting there talking about ICT, and it's just, like, you've literally lost money every single day this week, and you're gonna sit here and like tell me talk about your ICT theories on the market. Oh my God, Nasdaq, why? All right, Nasdaq kind of pushing back up here, testing the trend line area again. A 5-minute candle does not look good here. Will Terry still get the money? Yes, Terry will still get paid. Don't worry, I'm a man of my word. Well, this is shitty. Fucking A. What a stupid fucking... Wow. It's a real fucking annoying move right there. Yeah, D-Money will be here tomorrow and Friday. Patrick, don't be hypocritical. You mentioned ICT also. I mean, I don't base my whole existence off of ICT. Oh, fuck me. Very annoying stop here. This is basically just one contract per account. So if we get stopped out here, it's only like a $350 loss. But fuck it, A, man. Just kind of like see what happens here now. We push back up there, 5-minute chart. It's kind of in this chop zone here. Terry will be trading tomorrow. Yes, she will be here trading tomorrow. Terry trades back at the BDH. I got no problem with, like, you know, talking shit, whatever, like bantering, but like don't go on Twitter and do it after the fact, you know, like do it while you're crying about the chat being mean. That's when you should be talking shit, not after the fact. You know what I mean? Did you pay her a hotel? Yes, I paid for her hotel. I paid for her plane ticket. I paid for her food. I paid everything. All right, Nasdaq. Well, fuck me. Good thing we didn't get stopped out yet, but should have never paid for the liberal. Well, we learned a good lesson. We learned a good lesson, boys. Yeah, she says she has $12,000 payouts, but she doesn't have money to pay for food. It's a rough life we're living out here as traders. Fuck me, Nasdaq. If we get back below 700, I might add again, but kind of looking like if we just chop around here, hold up for now. We kind of put in that higher low again off that 680 area. We were up like almost $10,000 at that point, but looks like my stop is going to be the target here now. Baby Jesus. Why? Oof. Best part of the whole day is, where did ICT get you? I mean, I thought I had a good point there, but whatever. Fuck me. Yeah, no, we're getting stopped. This is definitely stopping. I'm gonna maybe just put it up there above that little wick on this candle just to see if there's like one more wick right here, but this is kind of what I was expecting, this bullshit. Both the ES and the Nasdaq kind of holding up here now. I think I might just get out. If this candle like holds this 10 level, I'm just gonna get out. We lost the 10s again. I'm still holding, still short. Okay, okay. Come on, Nasdaq. Retrace that whole fucking 5-minute candle, you dumb cunt. Come on, you dumb cunt. What a stupid fucking... If this thing now starts to go... Oh, Lord. All right, I'm just gonna take it out right there for now. Keep the lot. I was only like $120 per account. So we'll see what happens here next. If we get above this 720 area, the problem is, like you said, like that 5-minute candle, put a big wick in there. Oh my God. Put a big wick there in the 5-minute candle. So now we kind of got like this move here. Wow. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Nasdaq? All right, well, guess I could have just held that. Never mind. JK. Someone said I lose a lot. Yes, I lose a lot. I mean, fuck me. Wow. Again, back down there. Let's see if we get a little push back up. Maybe retest. If we get like stuck here again at the 705s, maybe one more short idea. All right, I'm gonna add right here, and then I'm gonna see if I can't get another fill up here, and then we got all our stops above the 720s again. YOLO. I like this. I just think if we could get this end of day kind of sell off back down there to the low of day. Makes sense. And just chop around maybe too. I don't know. See if I can get like... Trying to add right there. Reena is trolling you on Twitter. That's fine. She has 1,000 followers. I'm not worried. I am not worried. The funny part is she was down on the day and then magically she was up 3,000 out of nowhere, but never talked about taking trades. So interesting how that works. FSB is praying. Come on, well, we got to get back below 700s here. Just chopping. Just need to start rolling. Rolling. Look, I got nothing against Reena personally. I really don't. But like I said, don't come to my house, you know, try to be all friendly, and then go on Twitter and talk a bunch of shit, you know, after the fact. It's just like, it's not how I do business. Someone said, let it go. I mean, I'm only addressing it because the chat literally is talking about it. Hey, I didn't pay her hotel bill. That's fine. She's broke. I don't know what to tell you. She gets $12,000 payouts. Don't worry. Everything's fine. She can pay for her own stuff. She's a big girl. I didn't know that I was responsible for everything when somebody comes to the BDH. She brought her dog with her as well. Don't worry. Everything's fine. The what? I didn't pay. Yeah. When Greg and Alex came to the BDH, I paid for nothing, by the way. I didn't buy them food. I didn't pay for hotels. Like, Greg paid for his own hotel. He did everything on his own accord. So, like, I want to make that very clear. Like, I offered to do it for the girls, but, like, I don't think that I should be responsible for paying for their fucking every meal of the day. Oh my lord. Nasdaq just going nowhere right now. God will teach you a lesson one day. Okay, bro. God will teach me a lesson about helping people. Yes. God's gonna come down and strike me down from heaven because I bought someone's plane ticket, I paid for their food, I paid for the hotel, and then they shit on me, and I told them not to come back. Yes, God is going to, he's definitely gonna hate me. God is sitting there right now watching. He's like, Patrick, you are a real terrible person. You're going to hell for this. Patrick's going to hell. He's going to hell, boys. All right, I'm fucking over this little spot here. Another little fucking bullshit, just chop session there. Oh, da, 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 da. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Where are you gonna go? Nasdaq just stuck right here. Kind of looking like maybe a higher low now. Did we go long and go for the push up? Dude, are we gonna dump here? What the fuck? I keep trying to short this and it don't want to go nowhere. Yes, Terry's gonna get the money. Everybody relax. Don't worry. Terry won. My chat, you know what I mean? Like, that was the whole point. The whole idea of the live stream was to like get different traders to come in and like kind of trade live on YouTube, talk about what they're looking at, and like Reena could not do that, so she didn't want to like participate. She wanted to be butthurt. She wanted to cry. Like, I can't help it. You know, like I think it's just better for her to go do her own thing than to come back to the BDH tomorrow. It's not good for anybody. Like it's especially after her going and talking shit on Twitter. It's just, I'm not going to be very happy to see her tomorrow. That's for sure. So why come back? If you're going to talk shit, why come back here? You know? All right, Nasdaq, will you go somewhere? Market is just in this chop here, holding up at the 700s. I feel like maybe the bulls want to step in and squeeze it back up here now, like kind of like right there. It's happening. Fucking A, man. These shorts are really just playing with it here. Everyone's playing with it. It's kind of like looking like a little bit of the inverse head and shoulders here. Like if it can get this kind of break through here, maybe we push back up 740s or VWAP there end of day 777s. Maybe. I mean, bigger time frame. We took out a lot of stuff there on that move down, so I don't know. Five-minute chart just keeps getting stuck there at the 21 EMA for now. Needs to obviously kind of break that trend line. I guess its 5-minute chart looks like a head and shoulders. And then on the 1-minute chart, you kind of got like the inverted head and shoulders. So we got the battle of head and shoulders here. PPs versus PPs. Don't worry, chat. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. In her defense, the chat is brutal. I told her literally day one. I said, do not look at the chat. Do not look at the chat. I told her so many times, do not look at, don't read the chat. Don't read the chat. She read the chat. She got upset. And I told her, I said, don't do it. If you read the chat, you're going to be upset. I can't help it. What do you want me to do? Like, the chat gets crazy. They call me fucking retarded. They say that I'm fat. Like, that is literally every day. It's the YouTube, right? People just like, they come here and they just want to talk shit. I don't know what to do about it. You know? I literally don't know what to do about it. Like, what? I can't change the chat. I literally can't. What is he talking? Who is the fucking weirdo in the chat? Nobody watches you, Danny. Will you shut up, you fucking retard? God. Literally, imagine Danny Trades literally trying to come be like, no, Patrick, everybody, I'm a bigger live streamer than you now. Okay, Danny. Go for it, bro. Keep living the dream, bro. Keep living the dream. Fucking moron. He is like, Danny Trades is literally the cockroach that won't die, right? He literally, like, how many times does he have to fucking like crash out and then come back, crash out, come back, crash out, come back? Like, how many times? You know what I mean? Like, how many fucking times do you need to crash out and come back, Danny? You let me know at what point, you know, when do you call it quits? And the funny thing is, like, I've actually talked to Danny, you know, in real life, or I guess like on the phone, and I told him, I was like, look, bro, why don't you just, like, instead of always trying to be like, I'm the best trader, like, why don't you just shut the fuck up and just trade, you know, and just, like, shut up. Just shut up. Like, if you just shut up for once, maybe you can, like, learn to trade. I don't know, but he just won't shut up. You shouldn't invite people and humiliate them. I did not humiliate Reena, so I don't care what anyone says. All I said was, she kept talking about ICT, and I said, ICT has not helped you this week, so, like, maybe it's time to not talk about how... The best part is, she's not even an ICT trader. She just talks about ICT because she doesn't know how to trade. It's like, what are you even talking about? Like, she doesn't even know. I was talking about the gap fill, and she's like, what's the gap? And then she's like, oh, and then later on, she's like, yeah, RTH. I'm like, yes, the gap. Like, you're telling me you're a profitable trader, and you don't even know what the overnight gap is. Like, that's mind-blowing to me. It's not humiliating her. I mean, I looked at her Twitter account. She claims to make $12,000 every 2 days. I don't know, like, what am I supposed to do? Audit her fucking results? I was like, all right, if you claim to make $12,000 consistently, then, like, come to the BDH. You know, like, I don't know what to tell. Like, she literally is bragging about all over Twitter how she gets $12,000 every few days trading. And she doesn't have money to pay for food, but, like, I mean, no one's, you know. I won't hold it against her, but hey, get those payouts, girl. Is there an activation fee for Legends? There is an activation fee. It's $99. So you think about it, if you're looking to buy cheap evals, there's a way that you can do it for $37. Then you have the $99 activation fee. So I've talked to different people, right? Some people, they would rather basically, like, not pay a bunch of money up front for the evals and then pass them and then activate them. Like, that might be kind of the best. That's some people's strategy. So, but I mean, $99, so you're paying, you think $37 plus 99, you're at, like, what, 145 all in cost basically. So you got an option. You got the trade evade. They also have the straight to master, straight to funded accounts as well. So there's no activation on those. Do the 80% off. I don't think it's on 80% on the straight to funded, but Nasdaq pushing back up here now. There's that push. Kind of was my fear, I guess. Here, the Nasdaq would want to push back up after this big move down. We're breaking this trend line right now, so I guess the real question is, do we actually go somewhere from here now? Bum 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 bum. What do you think? Is there a move here? Fowo. 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 Kind of like, now I need a little bit of a pullback here. Build out, like, give me like a little mini kind of bull flag would be nice, right? A little, maybe. See, I don't know. I like this little push. Kind of like, well, I don't know if I like it, but I like it now. Looking a lot better out of there, breaking out. We broke that trend line right there off of those EMAs, back up their 720s. So Alexander, you just posted the activation fees on the website, but I was told that they're $99. But but maybe I'm wrong. I think they're on, the activation fees on sale right now. Let me confirm. Let me just confirm with my people. Who keeps changing my stream thing? Who doing that? Flip flap, flipped up, flipped up. Let me just confirm really quickly here. All right, we broke out through there now. But are we gonna actually go somewhere? Like, are we going somewhere, chat? Are we going somewhere? Well, I mean, you know, sometimes if it works, it works. We try us here at the 720s now. Be looking for like maybe back up 740 area here end of day. I don't fucking know. This power hour ain't got no power so far. Maybe try to add into this. If we pull back like again into this right here. And again, guys, I know people in the chat, like, it was never my intention to ever like have this all happen the way it did, right? It just, why would I subject myself? You know what I mean? Like, why would I go out of my way to help somebody and then let them talk shit about me and then invite them back to my house? You know what I mean? Like, it's just, there's no point. Like, it's just better. I told Ginger, I'm like, just tell Reena it's just better for her to enjoy the beach for the next couple of days. I don't care. Like, it's just better. Why? Like, why spend 2 more days of agony, you know? For what? Like, it's my place. You know, you come to my house, you talk shit in my house, and then you leave my house. Simple math. Aaron, will you relax, bro? I can talk about Reena. People are asking about it. I'm sorry. Tomorrow, we won't talk about it. It's all good. I'm just like, right now, we're talking about it a little bit. You kicked her out talking about her trading? No. I kicked her out because she's, I don't want to get into it, but let's just say she leans to the left. She leans to the left, chat, if you know what I mean. Bring Kellyanne tomorrow. Oh, God. Kellyanne, fly to the BDH. Fly to the BDH, Kellyanne. I gotta go pee. Watch this trade for me, chat. You guys watch it? You guys keep it safe for me? I just, again, I'm not gonna keep harping on it, but like my comment this morning when she was talking about ICT is just like, can you stop talking about ICT? We get it. You're a failed trader and you believe ICT works. We get that. I understand that, but like, you're not helping yourself. Like, I was just like, stop talking about it. That's all I said. That's all. Come on, Nasdaq. No, we're going to have Terry tomorrow. We're going to have D Money tomorrow. D Money will be back tomorrow morning and Friday as well. I'm excited. I'm excited. Hey, again, like I said, you can hate me, you can love me, whatever, but like, until the event was over, it was probably not a good idea to go on Twitter and vent about how much you hate me. You know, like, I saw the tweets. People were sending me the tweets, and I'm just like, okay, well, I guess there's no point in her coming tomorrow. She made 3,000. I doubt it. I highly doubt it. I would love to actually see the trade that she took. She never told us what she was actually doing. It's funny how when she's not telling us what she's doing, she's making money. But then when she's telling us what she's doing, she's losing money. So, not sure how that works, to be exact. Oh, power hour. All right, we got that pivot point coming up at the 730s. We get through there. Maybe we can try to push back up 740s or so. We are long right here. JJ goes, is Reena not coming back? No, she's not coming back. She not coming back, boys. She's not coming back. Recap the tweets. I mean, is it even worth it? Do I need to? It's not worth it. Don't give her any more credit. What did Victoria think? Victoria thinks that, I mean, I'm not going to say what Victoria thinks, but I think you already know what Victoria thinks. Everybody knows what Victoria thinks. Oh my God, Nasdaq. Dude. I cannot catch a break today, boys. No matter what I do here. No matter what I do. I mean, Terry killed it. Terry had like good shorts today. She was making money. She talked about her trades. She was like, she was killing it, right? So like, why am I going to reward Reena for doing the exact opposite of that? Kellyanne, she know. Oh my God. This market is fucked. I've just gotten chopped absolutely insane here. No breaks today. I'm gonna see what I want to see what happens at the 700 level. If we're gonna bounce there again. Fucking A. Kellyanne, she's our man. I mean, our Kelly. She's our nan. Ha ha! Ginger laugh at that one. Gotta get a Ginger camera. In there. Whenever I make a joke, just cut to her and see if she laughs or not. Yeah. Fuck me. Toe fucking A up traders, $100, bro. Okay. I see you. I see you in the chat. Not even joking, Patrick. You're a true inspiration to everyone, in my opinion. Keep being you, man. Think we'll all struggle dealing with criticism. It's how you deal with it. You teach a lot without even knowing it. Fuck. Well, I appreciate that. You didn't have to do that, but I do appreciate it. That $100 is gonna go to. It's gonna maybe buy a new light for the BD. We need more lights in here. If we have more lights, we can make more money. I'm confident in that. Confident in that. Fucking A. All right, I'm trying to figure out if this long off here or not. We're still kind of like holding this stupid trend line for now. So, like, if I get out of this long, then you know what's gonna happen next. It's gonna go back up. That's the funny part is like, there would be 1,000 men, 1,000 people, we'll say men. There would be 1,000 men on this planet that would gladly pay for their own plane ticket. They would pay for their own fucking hotel, and they would be happy to come to the BDH, right? Like, that is the truth. So the fact that Reena feels entitled, that she needs everything paid for, and she needs me to buy her accounts, she needs me to do, like, it's just a little much. All right, well, we might have to give it back on this one. Now we're getting stuck there, those EMAs again. Terry, I paid for Terry's plane ticket. I paid for her hotel. I offered that. That was my offer to them. But like, just the incessant, like, texting Ginger about needing more money, and Ginger I need Tylenol, and Ginger, I need this. Like, I'm like, hold on a second. You know Ginger's my assistant, not yours. Someone goes, genuine question. Do you not like ICT personally or his trading methods? No, I'm so tired of idiot traders talking about ICT, right? It's just like, I get it. You love ICT, but like, when you talk about how, oh, look at that, the overnight high, it's all because of ICT. And it's like, no, everything inside of the ICT bubble is just price action put into some crazy words. At the end of the day, you know, a bull flag, a bear flag, that is the rawest, that's all there is at the end of the day. I know it sounds stupid, but like, bull flags and bear flags, that is, the market moves off of those two things and those two things only. Hate me, love me, but it is the truth, right? Like, at the end of the day, if there's a bull flag, there's a bear flag. That's the momentum, that's the direction, that's the market moving. It doesn't move based on fucking your unicorn setups. It doesn't move based on whatever fucking idea somebody on the internet be like, see, I told you, Patrick. If you would have just looked for the unicorn setup, the silver bullet setup. What's my take profit here? Well, I mean, I take 43s on this. This is a nice little push. I like it. Oh, buddy. Good thing we didn't get stopped out there. Looking at the bigger picture, chat. Remember, don't get hyper focused on only the 1 minute chart, right? Give yourself a little bit of room. Zoom out. Tell yourself, be like, hey, I'm okay, right? The 1 minute chart, we did pull back there. It happens. It's part of the game, right? But now I'm like 5 minute chart. We're still good. We are still good. We're still good. Oh my God, I think we're going to get tapped out here. Finally, come on. Come on, chat. I'm not going to be greedy here. I'm going to take a little bit right there. I mean, someone in the chat said they stopped looking at the 1 minute. Oh, are you kidding me? Don't do this to me right now, Nasdaq. Do not do this. Oh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, Nasdaq. You got to be kidding me, Nasdaq. I mean, there is times where I think, honestly, about stopping looking. Maybe don't look at the fucking 1 minute chart anymore in general. Might make my life a little easier. I guess now we can move this target up a little bit since we already pretty much got right there. Someone said we're going to go to 24,800 today. Ooh, you naughty boy. Power hour. The power is in the hour. All right, trying to take a little bit of profit here at the 40s now. I mean, just to lock it in, right? Just to lock it in here. Come on. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, 18,000, 18,000. No way. No fucking way. If this pulls back right here and doesn't get me filled, it's a scam. You gotta be kidding me right now. No way. I just saw orders go through there. How am I not getting filled? I just saw orders literally at, oh my God, thank God it happened. All right, let's see where we're rolling from here now. All right, if we look here, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, got this big wick there, top of that candle, I got the VWAP up there. I feel like maybe we put in another high here, like in the VWAP area, right? Kind of like extend up to here maybe, and then we pull back again, kind of build out this flag that we're here in. Is that reasonable? New Jersey said, is there a reason that you don't trail a stop? I feel like every time I fucking put a trailing stop, I just get stopped out instantly. So I don't know. Don't do as I do. Remember, like I'm in a different league. So like it's okay to take profit. If you're up 20, 30 points, take full profit. Don't be afraid to take full profit, people. Don't listen to me. I'm just an idiot on the internet. Was my longest trade. I think I held a trade for like 20 hours one time. An overnight trade. And then just held it all the way through market open. Patrick Wieland doesn't understand that ICT invented the stock market and the internet. Fuck. Both of them? That's an accomplishment. Not many people can claim that they've invented both the internet and the stock market.
What's new with Google?
But I would not be surprised, you know, honestly. ICT probably did. Probably did. All right, we're still pumping. Still pumping. I am a longy dongy here. We just took some profit there at the 40s. I think at least we can target like maybe that VWAP area to the upside if we get momentum here, end of the day. End of the day. It's always nice to be up, you know, 20, 30 points to the upside. What happened with Reena this morning? I mean, nothing really happened, to be honest. Guys, when Nutty Bar was here, when Alpine Trade, when every single trader comes to the BDH, do we not make jokes? Do we not banter? We do, right? That's just like normal dudes at the BDH. We talked. It's like fun to be like, aha, you trade ICT, you're a retard. And it's like, ha, I'm retarded, you know? But like, I can't help it that Reena is very, you know, fragile. It's like, welcome to live streaming, you know? It's just part of the game. Terry has been an absolute fucking trooper. You know, she does not care what, she doesn't like get upset. She doesn't cry. She's just here trading and having a good time. All right, so like people asking about the trailing, right? I could trail this. Let's say I put my stop there. Let's put it at the 29.75s. All right, if this pulls back, chops, see what's gonna happen? Literally, watch this. I just put my stop there. This is gonna come down, take out my stop, and then go higher. How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? Like, remember, by the way, people, like, the internet is not what is not reality, right? It's not. Like, did I not just tell you? Did I not just say that? Fuck me, dude. Literally, did I not just say that? All right, well, we pulled back, stopped me out perfectly. God. What? Like, why? That's why I don't trail, because every fucking time I do, it just always fucks me. You gotta be kidding me right now. This is a scam. It's a scam. Shit, it's a scam. It's an actual scam. Look at that. All right, we're pulling back here. Right up to that 40 area, back down again. Maybe good thing I did get stopped out where I did, so. I mean, when Alex was here, I made fun of him the whole time. When Justin Trades was here, I made fun of him. I mean, we just, that's, I don't know. For me, it's just normal. It's not personal. It's just like, you know, we're playing a game. We're all just like making jokes and stuff. Did you? I didn't make her cry. She made herself cry. I think she got offended yesterday when I said that she's broke because she's liberal. But I mean, you know what I love about liberals? You know what I really love about them is that like math and like the facts aren't relevant to them, right? Like liberals would be like, this is not fair. White people make the most money in America. It's such a scam. Look at white people. It's just like, why is it always gotta be about race? I saw a great thing the other day. Charlie Kirk was talking about this, right? He's like, we gotta get away from this like victim mentality because you're a certain race or you're a certain religion that like you are like a victim, right? It's like, oh, you're not, oh, you're what color are you? Oh, you're definitely a victim. Like the media and the government and these like politicians, they want people of different races and different ideologies to like feel like a victim, because that way it's like, oh man, life's not fair because I'm black or I'm Asian, you know? It's like white people have it so easy. But at the end of the day, it's like when you think about what is America, right? America is America. Like we don't identify as a race. We don't identify as a thing. It's like as an you're an American, right? Every American should feel pride to want to go out and work hard and be better than somebody else, not because their skin color or something else. It just simply be like, hey, I'm the best person for this fucking job, right? Like I'm the best person who can do this fucking job. I might be black, I might be Asian, I might be, you know, Spanish, whatever it is. But like at the end of the day, your resume should not be based on what fucking color your skin is. Your resume should be based on who does the best job. So by the mainstream media and the schools and the government basically telling people of other color that like they're inferior because they need special treatment and they need to be hired because of whatever, you know, like, oh, this person, you know, oh, he's Asian, we got to hire that guy because we only have one Asian guy working here. It's just, I feel like if I don't know, I guess I'm white, so I don't know exactly, but like well, maybe I do know, because I only get hired when I do my job. I only get paid if I work good, you know, work good. If I work good, I get paid. That's the only way I'm gonna get paid, because ain't nobody ever gave me nothing, you know. I paid $1.6 million in taxes last year, right? And what the fuck do the liberals know about paying taxes? Because they ain't working. They all got upset when they found out that the free money from COVID you had to pay taxes on. They're like, what? I got to pay taxes on the free money that I got from COVID? You know? What? Oh, I'm going to try another long here. See if we can't get this rip up. End of day. We're above that pivot point again. We're green on the day, but let's just see if we can't get some more out of it. Now that I got my stop there at the 20s. This little pullback here. We'll kind of like maybe add in there a little bit. We're still just kind of following that trend line there on the 5-minute chart, so. I mean, again, it's just like, it's not good for anybody. Kids go to school and like teachers are teaching kids that they're inferior because they have a different race, or be like, hey, oh, you're black, so don't worry, son, you know, like everything gonna be like, it should not be about the race. It's just like, you're an American, you work hard, you get rewarded, right? It just like, you go to work, you make money, you get to grow a family, you get to have fun, life, welcome to the real world, you know? Why should anybody take care of somebody else based on what merit? Oh, hey, this person deserves welfare because they decided they don't want to work. Oh, okay, well, I don't want to work either, but I do. Oh my God. Oh. Oh God. Pulling back here again. Fucking A. Yeah, it's not good. That stop's definitely going to get ran right there. 100%. Just the fact that these two candles all stopped right there. Maybe we'll pull back a little bit more. I don't know. I think. I mean, anybody can say whatever they want and say that I'm racist or I have no idea what I'm talking about, blah, blah, blah. But like, the facts are the facts, right? At the end of the day, it's simple. If you work hard and you hustle, it doesn't matter what race you are. It doesn't matter. Like, you can be successful. And that's the truth, right? There are plenty of people of minority colors in America who are millionaires. There are more millionaire minority people in America than any country in the world. Like, what does that mean, right? What does that mean? Does that mean America's racist, or does that mean that America is literally the ultimate place to be somebody, to become somebody, to work hard, to build a business, to have a family? That is America, right? That is the dream of America at the end of the day. The dream is to be able to get rewarded for being a good person and doing good things and working hard and building a business, building a legacy, building a family, right? America was never supposed to be about a bunch of fucking gay people sitting around talking about how nobody should have kids and we'd all just be fucking gay and nobody should work and we should all get free money from the fucking government, right? That wasn't part of the plan. In the Constitution, it don't say nothing about like, hey, here's what we're gonna do. Listen, everybody, no one's gonna work. We're all gonna live off the government and everything is gonna be fine. That's the truth. And again, I got nothing against gay people, but the fact that we got a gay pride month is fucking mind-blowing to me, because where's the fucking the happy month for people that have kids and work hard? We don't have that month. We got no month celebrating people that work hard in America. And again, I'm not anti-gay, but like, we don't need a whole fucking month to be happy about it. You know what I mean? You could be gay all year long. We don't need a month to celebrate it. Fucking A, Nasdaq. It's like teetering here, just teetering there. I should have taken all that profit there earlier at the 40s and been happy with it. Someone said I'm annoying as fuck, but they can't stop watching. Well, I mean, hey, gotta give you something to talk about, boys. Ironically, Pride Month is PW's birthday. Wait, when's Pride Month? It's February, right? My birthday's in August. I don't think Pride Month is August, is it? So sad to see your failure again. What? What am I failing? What's these guys talking? What is like people in the, like, imagine being this guy, Steve ID. So sad to see you failure again. What? Who's failing? You're watching me, bro. You're on, like, that's what I love about the live stream, right? It's just hilarious because, like, you're watching me and you're telling me that I'm a failure. Like, you're watching me, bro. You watching me. I ain't watching you. Because if I was watching you, that would be, you know, definitely be a failure. So. All right, Nasdaq trying to push back up here. Come on. I need it. Push, Nasdaq. Get me through this pivot point one more time. Up there to the 757 60s here. End of day for power hour. I like the power and the hour. If she can just go. Let it go. Let it go. All right. I like this little push. Let's get this 5-minute confirmation, get through this last 5-minute high there, and then go do 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 do. The VWAP. I gotta fucking, dude, my VWAP, right? My VWAP sensor is ping 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 ping. You know they like to have VWAP. Look at it, just sitting there waiting for us. We got the ES pushing back up here as well. Oh, how is my entry now? The fucking holding the whole market down here. 732. The whole market just stuck there now. Can't go any higher. Oh, God, these people in the chat just never stop. PW, you might be a millionaire, but you're miserable as fuck. That's why you're always ranting. Seek help. Bro, the reason that I rant is so that people watch. If I just sat here and never talked, what would do? Nobody would watch. Right? Like, I really don't think the fucking morons in the chat understand when people are like, you always ranting. I'm like, what else am I going to do? What else do you want me to do? You want me to jump around and fucking dance? Like, what else can I do? It's a live stream. What else are we going to talk about? I don't know. You'll just never get it, will you? I don't know. Like, what do you want me to do? Hey, everybody. I got a new way to entertain you. Don't worry. It's workout with Patrick. Whoop, 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 whoop. I gotta floss. What else would you like? What else would you like? Oh my God. Oh well. Damn it. Damn it, chat. Ugh. I could have got stopped out here, but I was dancing. The chat wanted me to dance. All right, I'm watching this 5-minute like trend line here. I'm not getting stopped out just yet. Let's see what happens. It ain't over till it's over. The blue line of, dude, that was the best when someone said, what's that blue line of resistance? I'm like, funny story, actually. Funny story. It's a very funny story. Someone said I was douchey to Reena. I don't give a fuck. It's the BDH, I own it. I didn't go to Reena's house and shit on her fucking carpet. She came to my house and shit on my fucking couch. All right, so she can go fuck herself. I don't give a fuck. We're past the point of pleasantries. I paid for her plane ticket. I paid for her hotel. I gave her $500 for fucking food. I did everything to accommodate her. And what does she, how does she return the favor? She goes on Twitter and talks shit. There you go. Welcome to the real fucking world. You talk shit, you're gonna find out. You fuck around, you're gonna find out. It's that simple. Welcome to the real fucking world. We're not here to fucking sing Kumbaya. I gave someone an opportunity to win 25,000 fucking dollars. And what do? They come to the BDH and then talk shit on Twitter about me. No, thank you. I'm not someone's bitch. Very simple. Very fucking simple. I'm not even gonna go. She was just her fucking melodramatic tweets about how, oh, Patrick, he doesn't help me. He's so mean to me. He's so mean. Like, literally, she's posting on Twitter. Look, he calls himself a multi-millionaire and then kicks me out of the competition. PW is a master. Like, she did not. I put my credit card on the fucking hotel for incidentals because she didn't have the money to. Like, she's, what? Yeah, like, now she's stranded in Florida. She has a hotel room until the weekend. We changed her fucking flight out of Miami because she requested it. Yeah, I paid to change her ticket twice, by the way. I paid for it to change her fucking plane ticket because she wanted to go to Miami, you know, to go see a friend. And it's now she's posting my fucking text messages with my assistant, Ginger. Like, Ginger has done nothing but try to help this girl. Literally nothing. And this is the response now. It's just like, it's a joke. It's a fucking joke. And it's just like this. Like, there's all this shit for what? Like, what are you coming at me for? I was berating ICT, causing the contestants to walk off. I was not berating anybody. I was literally saying, hey, Reena, you're fucking retarded because you keep talking about ICT while you lose money. So, like, maybe, you know, focus on, like, learning to trade before talking about theories on how to trade. Like, that, you know, like, it would help people a lot more if you just, like, shut the fuck up instead of talking. That's kind of what my point. You know, clearly you don't know how to trade, so I don't want to take advice, and I don't want you giving my chat advice. You know, that's how I felt about it. Trades by Slade. Patrick, can I come trade again? Are you going to be a good boy, Slade? Are you going to say nice things, Slade? Hey, Slade's been to the BDH. How do you feel about your experience with me, Slade? Now that you're on the spot. Slade, how do you feel about after you met me? I made fun of Slade too when Slade was here. He didn't cry. And Ike was the original BDH. He was the first person to come to the BDH. Hey Ike, did I pay for your plane ticket? Hey Slade, did I pay for your fucking plane ticket, or did you guys ask for money from me? Ike brought me a fucking $1,000 bottle of vodka. Ike brought me a $1,000 bottle of vodka. Steven's been here. Come on. Literally. And I'm a terrible person. I'm a terrible person. Yeah. Trades by Slade said I didn't. He literally drove down. Him and his girlfriend drove down to the BDH from another state. Never asked for anything. Never expected anything. So I just, you know, I'm a terrible person, right? Clearly. All right, we might be okay, chat. We're coming back up here. God, I gotta stop streaming and trading. Y'all be getting me all hot and bothered. I can't trade like this. What vodka is $1,000? Fucking Trump vodka, man. It's the best vodka. Look at that. The best vodka. I'll show you the exact price. This shit. Look at that. Big shout out to Ike. I still have not opened it, brother. I'm keeping it forever. I don't know, it might go bad, but I think it's pretty fucking sick. The Trump vodka, it says on the back, the world's finest super premium vodka. Let me see. Let me see what Trump vodka is going for these days. It was like $1,000 the other day. Look at that. $2,000. Trump vodka. Look at that. Ike brought me a $1,000 present. But I guess that's what happens when you make money trading, Ike. You know, hey. When you make money trading, it's easy to not have to worry about, you know, getting your Chipotle covered. Yes, they brought me a necklace. That's true. That's very true. Trades by Slade brought me a necklace that he handmade. So, I mean, hey. Pay for your Trump vodka with you can finance it. Look at that. For only $180 a month, you too can buy some Trump vodka. That's pretty funny, actually. Who's gonna fight you? Anybody want to finance their Trump vodka for the month? What's the actual oh my god, 15% interest rate. I'm gonna see if I can qualify for this really quickly. Get a 15% interest rate on my purchase of Trump vodka. Pine Tree Trader, I'll challenge trades by Slade at the BDH. Uh-oh. You gonna let him call you out like that, Slade? You gonna let Pine Tree Trader call you out like that? You gonna let Pine Tree Trader call you out, Slade? Wait, Ike, did you finance the Trump vodka, bro? I mean, I know it's rough out there, but I mean, if just, you know, wink at me if you need help, man. I can help you, bro. I'm just kidding. Oh my, dude, this is crazy right now. This is crazy. My entry has now just become the fucking wall of China. Great Wall of China there. How does my little blue line stop the whole fucking market from going higher? Does anybody understand this? I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Does anybody understand it? I don't understand it. I don't understand it. We got, oh fuck, we got about 40 minutes here. 40 minutes. Oh, fuck me. Just stuck there for now, going nowhere. We've been stuck here pretty much. This is why I don't trade the afternoons. This is exactly why. Because this kind of bullshit. Because of this fucking bullshit right here. It's bullshit. Absolute bullshit. All right, well. Got my stop down here. It's not fucking either way. I'm just fucked either way there, I guess. So it don't really matter. YOLO. This candle's gonna close in 30 seconds. Nathaniel Brown, of course she wants him. He has money and she doesn't. Who are you talking about? Talking about Victoria? She got her own business, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. She literally has her own clothing line and her own fucking Pilates studio. She's killing it. She don't need me. Oh, Reena. Oh, that's right. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, Reena definitely needs me. I'm no fucking Victoria's my retirement plan. Seriously, I'm like, if I can just fucking get enough of those Pilates studios going, I can just retire. I'm trying to retire, man. I'm over this day trading life. The Nasdaq, she's a cruel, cruel bitch. Real fucking cunt sometimes. She's a cruel, cruel. All right, we kind of got the inverse head and shoulders here, boys. The neckline, the blue line. Oh, just kidding. I have been trading this now for the last like hour and we've just gone nowhere. Pretty much in the same exact fucking spot we started at. Should have known. Should have known. Should have just avoided it. I had FOMO. I wanted to trade today. I was like, man, I'm a fucking, after that morning debacle, talk about fucking really hurting my testosterone. Too much feminine energy. Oh my. What do you think, chat? Just get out here and let it go lower, or is it gonna rip up? Like, what the fuck? The ES is kind of holding, Nasdaq's kind of holding. I don't know, man. It's just two contracts per account. 20 accounts, 2 contracts. Relax, chat. Throw some trend lines on that chart, bro. Fuck. Is that what I need? A couple trend lines on there? Just gotta throw a couple trend lines on it. No trend line. I got my blue line of resistance up there. Don't worry. It will not go about there. It won't go up there, I promise you. Fuck. How much do you spend on 20 accounts? I mean... I don't know. How much are they? Not good at math, man. What would Reena do? Fuck. It's a good question. When in doubt, what would Reena do? She would consult the crystals. I don't have any crystals to look at. Hey Ike, can you let me borrow some of your crystals, bro? I don't care if you put them up your butt. It's okay. I got some bleach. I'll clean them up. Oh, this is not good. All right, here we go, boys. We're gonna pump from here. 720, bottom. Whee! Dude, Ike, you can't get your crystals out of your butt? Bro, that you might need to go see somebody. You might, hey Ike, you might want to go see somebody. I'm sure there's a crystal doctor somewhere in New York that can help you. They'll read your palms and remove the crystals from your butthole all at the same time. I know it sounds crazy, but it's possible. This is painful right now. Just watching this bullshit. Oh, Nasdaq's right there at that trend line that I'm watching here on the 5-minute chart, right? We're just kind of holding there. I mean, it is kind of scary because it is a big old looking bear flag, really, when you think about it. But I'm thinking that, like, it makes more sense maybe for the Nasdaq to want to push back up here and kind of maybe push to the VWAP here end of day more than sell down, but I might be wrong. Is Terry coming back tomorrow? She is. Terry will be here tomorrow as well. Really depends on what this 15-minute candle right here does. If this 15-minute candle right here can reach out and take out this wick of this candle, then I think we're chilling. Javier, she didn't almost blow her account. She did blow her account day one. What are you talking about? She told me because she needed the money to buy another account. Oh, Nasdaq, you dirty, dirty dog. Fuck, man. Dude. What is it? Oh. Put it there for now. I'll move it. Are you gonna do the ball haul 1000? Not the ball haul 1000. I'm doing a ball haul trip next month. We're gonna drive like for 8 days through ball haul. Need a little bit more time before the 1000. I'm kind of just, I know it's a bear flag. I know. But I'm just like, why? I made some money on the longs earlier from the 710s, and now I'm like, do we gonna continue that kind of momentum here, holding that trend line end of day? You know, if you look hourly chart, it's just kind of like you got these two highs there right in that same area. I feel like it makes more sense that the hourly candle maybe pushes back up here a little bit more into the end of day. I could be totally wrong. I got no fucking idea what I'm doing, by the way, so don't listen to me. If you think it's a good short, go short. It probably is a good short, but like, that's just kind of what I'm seeing. So we'll see. Either way, we're gonna find out here. I got that pivot point right there, right where my fucking entry is right where that pivot point is. So again, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't have some fancy concepts. I don't have any idea where the fair value gap is. All I know is that I think it makes more sense for the Nasdaq to push back up here, end of day, retrace some of that big move down, and then maybe we go lower tomorrow. So bring Nana to the BDH. We talked about it. Putting Nana on the stream. Fucking, are you kidding? Like, how? Once again, my fucking entry is now just the resistance for the whole market. The Nasdaq said we cannot get above 32 no matter what. That's exactly where Patrick's long at, and we're not doing it. Not today, boys. If only I knew ICT concepts, then I would know exactly what to do right here. For every ICT fuckboy out there, answer one question. If ICT is so good at trading, then why doesn't he make money trading? Oh yeah, because he's not good at trading. The reality. It's the reality. People don't like reality. They like fairy tales. Patrick, ICT is the best trader in the world. Okay, how much money do you make? He don't make money because he's already so rich. I've never met someone who's rich who doesn't like want to make more money. You know, like they might not like want to go work every day, but like the idea of spending your whole life making YouTube videos and not actually trading and making real money. Like if you asked a real, you know, millionaire, be like, hey bro, so I have this idea, right? You just make YouTube videos and then you can spend your whole life talking on Twitter about all your different ideas. And then you can prove to the world that you're the best trader ever. Well, it's basically destiny. I'm sorry, chat. It is destiny now that this is now the top of the move and we're gonna get stopped out. Classic. So fucking classic. Crazy. That's crazy. Crazy. Like, it's actually crazy. I don't even get it. I don't even understand. Crazy. Whatever. I'm just gonna put my stop down here and fuck it. Like I said, it's only 2 contracts per account, so it looks a lot worse than it is. I just like, that's amazing. I want to see what happens with this low now. They're gonna like trap down below this low maybe. I have an idea. What if I go long right here? If I add to this, move my resistance line down. Right? Okay. 26 now. Let's see if 26 is going to be the resistance. Stops below the 700s. It's going to work. Or maybe it won't, I don't know. I just have to believe that I know. I don't know, man. I gotta text my girlfriend real quickly and ask her if I'm allowed to sleep in the house tonight. Hello, honey? It's me, Patrick. Am I allowed to come home? JT got short. Yes. Thank you, JT. You're the best. Team player, baby. Don't worry. If I make money, if you lose money, we'll work together here. I mean, like I said, it's only 3 contracts per account, right? So I'm only, realistically, I'm only down $600 on this trade. I know it seems like a lot when they're all combined, but like, I would risk $2,000 like per account, basically. I'm not saying to do that, but that would be like my overall risk here. Yeah, you guys, I mean, fuck, any shorts below the blue line, you're good to go. Don't worry. The blue line of resistance up there. Oh, fucking A. I mean, we did break. Fuck, I'm getting out. I'm out, and now I'm going short, right? We go short 100 contracts. We print to the downside now, boys. Don't worry, everything is fine. Watch this, 100 contracts straight down here. 100 contracts straight down through the 700s now. It's going straight down, boys. Right? There's no way the market's gonna reverse right here. No way. It's impossible. No fucking way. Just keep adding here short. It's gonna dump. Don't worry. There's no fucking way the Nasdaq's gonna go back up here now, right? No fucking way. No fucking way. I guarantee it. No fucking way. It's impossible, right? It's fucking impossible. It is actually impossible. There's no fucking way it goes back up now, right? No fucking way. Oh my God, Nasdaq. It's gonna hurt. I'm never gonna financially recover from this day. I can't even afford to pay for Reena's hotel room anymore. Oh, Lord. Chat, I'm never won't be able to get back from here. All right, we're good. It's coming, boys. Right here. We're pulling back into this. Whee! Everything is fine. No fucking way. There's no way that my blue line becomes support now, right? There's no fucking way here. Right? There's no fucking way, chat. Right? There's no fucking way. You're telling me that there's no... How is this possible right now? Like, get the fuck out of here. No fucking way. Bro, there's no way. There is no fucking way. When in doubt, just power out, boys. When should I cover? Anybody got a level for me? I don't really know ICT. What's the best level to cover ICT here? Where's the ICT level to cover at? Where would that be at? That would be where? Where should I cover that at? Is there a good level to ICT cover? Anybody? $680, they said. $680 is where ICT is looking to cover. Okay, I like it. That's where I'm going to cover at. What time is it? Almost 3:50. Fuck. This thing could get wild and crazy right here, to be honest. It's hard to say. I don't know. Do I take the profit? Just close it out here. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Oh, God. Wow. Well, it's been fun knowing you guys. About to go find the highest peak in Florida and jump off of it. About to go find the highest fucking peak in Florida and I'm jumping. I'm jumping off the fucking peak of the biggest mountain in Florida. All right, you better watch out. Going skydiving today, boys. If I ever die, just know that it was a setup. 100%. I would never kill myself because I love myself too much. So just think about that. If I ever disappear, you know, if there's ever like some kind of thing happens, if something ever happens, just know it's because the left did it, right? They try to take me out. They're like, this guy is too powerful. He's too smart. He's too sexy. He's got too much fucking alpha energy. We have to neutralize him. They just know that. Know that, chat. Just know that, okay? Everybody, I want you to know that. I would never kill myself. So if there's ever an incident where I possibly kill myself, it's not real. Whee! $30,000! God, I needed that. I'm taking it. I don't care about ICT. I'm over it. I don't care about your 680 ICT bullshit. Whatever. I don't care. This, I mean, what do you do? You know, what do you do? We had the move earlier. This was the fucking, I'm just, more than anything, you know what I'm more upset about more than anything today? Oh my God, it's still going lower. You know what I'm like more pissed off about? Not like, just the fact that like, I talked about this whole head and shoulders playing out, you know, pre-market. We had an absolutely just fucking beautiful move down. And instead of trading it, I was fucking around playing with girls. You know, like that's what pisses me off the most. That's like why I'm, because I was like, fuck. You know, what a waste of my fucking time. That was the issue. There is like this fine line between like me just wasting my time versus actually trading when I should be trading. So, yeah. That's a wiener? No, that's not. That's a. Maybe it's, wait, what? That's a turtle. Turtle. The girls cost me money. Amen. Amen, brother. All right, Nasdaq trying to push back up here now. Let's see what happens here. We got the MOC coming up. MOC coming up. Chat, do you all know what MOC is? Does anybody know what MOC is? Who knows what AMOC is? Good thing I didn't listen to the ICT people. Good thing, because I would have gotten stopped. What is, you guys don't know what MOC is? Somebody says, what is MOC? That's market on cunts. Market cunts, market off cunts. So basically every day at 3:50, right? 3:50, that's when all the cunts come out and they get wild and they get crazy. So get ready. If you've never seen the MOC, it's about to happen. Honestly, I thought that was gonna be the fucking, this could have fucking got, I should have got long at the 700s there, huh? I still think that this is gonna pop 350. I still think. I don't know. We're gonna find out. When's the 350 algorithm? Normally right around 350. Sometimes it's at 350.1 and then 3.2. Fuck, that was the long, man. Sal Santiago said we're gonna touch the low. Sal Santiago, how much you want to bet? How much? How much you want to bet? I'll bet you $1 billion we don't touch the low. And I have $1 billion, and trust me, I'll bet it right now. Fucking A. See, this, my long would have been fine. I could still be long. I told you all 700 was my stop, and y'all made fun of me. Should we YOLO? I'm gonna YOLO MOC. Should we YOLO MOC here? It's gonna be tricky. Oh, now Sal said eventually. Oh, well, yeah, no shit. Hey, man, I think the market's gonna hit 24,600 eventually. Maybe like next year, the year after, or maybe next month. It's gonna hit though. Trust me. I know what I'm talking about. Everybody talking about Reena talking about me on X. Let her talk. I don't really give a fuck. She has 1,000 followers. Why would I be worried? What is she possibly going to say? Patrick Wieland's an asshole. He's a dick. All right, I'm trying one little long here for a quick pop. Give me 12 points. 10 points to the upside here, Nasdaq. Right? This is where we got stuck at earlier. Did I just get long right at the blue line again? Did I just do that? See, I can't trade and do all this drama. You guys you don't understand. People don't understand. I can't be trading and dealing with Twitter drama at the same time. Puts me on tilt, man. I'm on fucking tilt right now. God fucking damn it. No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way. This shit's rigged. This fucking market's a joke. Oh, the blue line of death. Once again. Crazy. Absolutely fucking crazy here. Yeah, no, I hope you guys are laughing, because I would be laughing too. This is fucking comedy right now. This is like fucking better than Netflix. This is better than the Jimmy Kimmel Show, that's for sure. I guarantee there's more people watching this than the Jimmy Kimmel Show. How? Again, the blue. Somebody get the blue line off the chart. Get it off of there. Oh, oh, oh. This is crazy right now. I hope you guys are all fucking like dying. Like, I hope you guys are laughing at the fucking, this is the best. This gotta be the funniest shit I've ever seen. The fact that 3250 is now just the fucking wall that we're never gonna pass. Someone goes, how much did I lose? I didn't lose, bro. I'm making money. Big difference. All right, we're going. Come on. If we get through this 32, I think we got room to the upside. I know there's a pivot point, but come on. Fuck that pivot point, Nasdaq. Are you kidding me right now? It's fucking crazy. Blackout News Network said time to quit trading. I mean, hey, 3 years, trust me. I've been there, bro. 8 years later, still fucking hating it. I tell people all the time, trying to be a trader is the most retarded thing you could ever do. Like, you got to be actually retarded to want to be a day trader. And I say that in the most utmost respect. Right? You got to be real dumb. Because it's the stupidest fucking thing in the world. This is crazy right now. The fact that I'm gonna try to add here. Maybe it'll help the market go up. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name. Say my name. This is crazy. Get away from the 32s. Go through it. Go. Oh yeah, boys. Watch out, daddy's coming. Daddy's coming. Oh god, never mind. Fucking A. See, Jesse407 said this is the funniest shit he's ever seen. I agree, bro. I'm amazed right now, honestly. I'm absolutely amazed. Oh, wow. I love when it does that little like bullshit where it's like one little fucking, just like one order fucking goes and then it, wow. Wow, Nasdaq, really wow. Like if we sell off here, it goes against everything that I would believe in, right? Like if I don't make money on this trade, I'm literally just like, I'm amazed. right? Like my whole entire thesis on life has just been ruined off of this one fucking trade. It's crazy. Ugh. I'm just gonna add into every dip here. I'm just mind blown right now. Just mind blown. I need sunglasses. I can't deal with the chat anymore. I can't do this anymore. I'm quitting. I'm out of here. Fuck you guys later. I'm just kidding. Mama didn't raise no bitch. Let's go. Pump it, Nasdaq, you fucking pussy. ICT's karma gonna get you, bro. Will you shut the fuck up? You fucking idiot in the chat. What kind of shithole country do you live in? ICT karma. You can't even spell karma right, you dumb fuck. LOL, karma, C-A-M. What fucking shithole country do you live in? Exactly. Fucking karma. Patrick, ICT karma, it didn't get you. Yeah. Yeah. ICT karma. C-A-R-M-A. Hey Patrick, ICT karma gonna get you. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. The karma. Oh my God, Nasdaq. I have not, dude. Dude. This is crazy. Come on. The crazy part is like how many fucking losers that trade ICT watch me on YouTube. I don't get it. Like, don't you have some fucking like some gay porn to go jerk off to or something? Like, don't you have anything else to do other than watch me? Like, it's wild. If you believe that ICT works, why the fuck would you watch me? Go watch fucking some dude fucking a camel or something. I don't know. Like, do anything but watch me on YouTube. It makes no sense. It's crazy. Is ICT gay? Fuck yeah, he's gay. You know he be trying to fuck, you know, do some weird shit in his little bunker fucking destruction monkey fucking weird shit. All right, I'm gonna lock in 11,000 there and everybody can suck it. Ginger said, yeah, take that. Ginger's my little hype woman in there. I hear her little comments every once in a while. Hey, again, you know, nothing wrong with being gay, but like, you know, I don't know what's more retarded, being gay and trading ICT or just trading ICT. Hey, we're still going up. Y'all said, everybody said I was gonna get clapped. Just because you want to clap my butt cheeks don't mean it's gonna happen. Keep dreaming, boys. Y'all better keep dreaming. Daddy ain't getting clapped anytime soon. Still push it up there. Fuck. I mean, the longs they're just like relentless right now. I should have held that fucker. Y'all got me thinking. Y'all got me thinking. I told you it was a long into close though, didn't I? Did I not, chat? Did I not? Everybody's like, yeah, but it's a bear flag, Patrick. Look at the bear flag. Like, you shut the fuck up about your bear flag. Think about it like this. Look at the 1 hour chart, right? It's just like, is it really gonna, like, is it, you know what I mean? Like, does it make more sense to fuck everybody and push back up towards the VWAP here, end of day? Or does it make more sense to sell off and make a new low, end of day? You know? Nah. It makes more sense to fuck everybody. The Nasdaq be doing some real gay shit. It's trying to fuck everybody from every direction. You better keep, you know, watch yourself. Nasdaq be doing some real Diddy type shit out there. All right? Just making it. Look at that. Look at that. 4 o'clock. Ding, ding, ding! It's still going higher, by the way. Still going higher. Still going higher. 750 now. Hey, I put on what I had 180. I had 180 contracts earlier, 160 contracts. I'm up $2,300 in multiple accounts there. So P&L, 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 P&L. Don't you worry about my P&L. You worry about your own P&L. I'm a millionaire, okay? It's the facts. It's the facts. Guess what? If I go to someone's house, I wouldn't go there and be like, hey, can you pay me back for the Uber? Can you also give me money to buy food while I'm here? And also, I blew up my account. I'm gonna need money for that as well, right? Like personally, like that's just not the kind of person I am. Maybe it's a conservative in me. Maybe, you know, people, you know, the liberals don't understand that, like, hey, you know, maybe the world's not just like, you shouldn't be given everything, you know, maybe, you know, I don't know, maybe. You know, that's just the way I look at it. So I was raised the right way. You know, my daddy told me that when somebody brings you to their house, you know, that you, oh my God, ICT blocked me. No fucking way. Oh, no way. Oh my God. Wow. I thought we were gonna be friends again, but I guess not. The ghost in the machine, I guess he's not coming to the BDH. Oh my God. I can't, I don't know what to do. Michael! Michael, please come back. Michael! 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 Hey, I do want to point out the fact that literally Reena is lying on Twitter, by the way, about everything. So just like putting it out there. Don't believe what you read on Twitter. She posted about how her credit card is on hold. I don't know, blah, blah, blah. She's talking about, oh, she had to buy my own prop firm accounts to trade. This is the text message that she sent to Ginger on Saturday. So called her crying on Sunday, saying that her credit card couldn't work. So this is how like victim mentality she is. Like, so unless this is fixed, I'm out on the street. Like, relax, we'll get it fixed. Like, you can relax a little bit, you know, don't freak out here, honey. It's okay. And this is yesterday when she was texting Ginger about how she was gonna quit. Today was really rough with the comments in the chat, and I certainly won't be looking at any social media the rest of the week. I'm having a tough time with Patrick throwing in new elements, changing the account sizes and types. I didn't have volume profile on the Legends account today because I don't have it activated on Tradeovate. First, we're competing each other. Then it's us versus him. Now Victoria, 50K accounts, 150K. It's hard to strategize when the rules change every day. I honestly want to go home. At this point, I also know that it's not fair to Terry. Like, what the fuck is she talking about? She can't trade because she doesn't have volume profile? No, she can't trade because she can't trade. This is like literally the most victim mentality bullshit I've ever seen in my life. Patrick is throwing in new elements, changing the account sizes and types. What is that even talking about? What is that? What is that coming? What is that? I don't understand. Yes, this is Reena texting Ginger yesterday saying that she did not want to come today. And then Ginger's literally saying, you know, like, hey, we'll try to make it work. Don't let the trolls get you down, you know? Like, just makes no sense. And then she's posting about how it's been a clusterfuck from day one. And it's just like, okay then, go fuck yourself. Welcome to the real world. It ain't fucking all rainbows and butterflies. Right? If you want to work and you want to make money in a very fucking competitive space, which is trading, you got to have some thick fucking skin, right? You gotta fucking show up and put up or shut up. That's it. That is literally the truth. Trading does not give a fuck about your volume profile fucking not working. Trading is simply you trade, you make money, and then you shut the fuck up. Crying about it does nothing for anybody. Like, I literally had to beg her to come back on the stream because she was crying because the chat was being mean. And I told her multiple times, I said, do not read the chat. Do not read the chat. So, like, why would I keep going with that experiment? For what? Like, why would I keep begging someone to not be terrible? You know? I can't, I'm like, why? It just does everyone a disservice. So tomorrow morning, we've got D-Money coming to the BDH and Terry Trades tomorrow morning. We're gonna have D-Money, Terry Trades, Thursday, Friday. Good energy, good people, good trades. That's what we're doing. That is what we're doing. I don't care if people want to vote for Reena to come back. It doesn't matter. I'm the boss. And I think that D-Money and Terry Trades will be a very good show. We'll have a great time. And we're going to make some money tomorrow. Right? I think that, honestly, I think that's going to be a great time. So, we can do, we'll ask the chat. What do you think? D-Money or Rita? Tomorrow. We'll let the chat decide. I have a suspicion. What we got? We got D-Money. Oh shit. This is gonna blow up in my face. Just kidding. D-Money won 93%. The chat has voted, okay? The chat's voted. I can't help it. Hey Brandon, you dumb motherfucker. She did not pay for her plane ticket. I paid for her ticket. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Brandon. I love you, bro. I thought you were talking shit on me. Sorry. Yeah, you're good, Brandon. We good now. Sorry, I jumped to a conclusion. I just saw you were like, you know, coming up. No, I like you, Brandon. We good. Don't worry, Brandon. We good. Sorry about that. I thought you were like, you know, like, I like you, Brandon. Don't worry, Brandon. We good. We good, Brandon. No, I'm excited. I think tomorrow's gonna be great. We got good energy. Who paid for her hotel? I paid for her hotel. And I told her that she could stay at the hotel until fucking whenever she wants. I paid for her plane ticket home. She's not stranded. I gave her $500 cash on Monday because she needed money for food, she said. Right? I did that. The BDH did that. Right? So the way I look at it is when somebody helps me, when someone goes out of their way to help me, like, I don't go and fucking talk shit on Twitter about them after the fact, you know? DayTrader from New York. Patrick, can I come to the BDH next year? Yes, you can. You can do it. I thought about putting a wig on D-Money. That'd be funny. Terry comes in the morning and D-Money's here with the wig on. D-Money! The best is like D-Money, you know, he comes into the BDH first time ever. You know, the chat was talking shit. You know, they were being retarded, talking shit. I was, you know, messing around with them and stuff, but like, he didn't cry. You know, like at the end of it all, he just like laughed about it. Like, it's part of the business, right? Don't be on the YouTube and cry. Don't do it. Like, it's not gonna work. And yes, Terry is cool. I love Terry. Terry has the fucking thumbs up for me. Yeah, that's the best about Terry. He just like, I mean, not Terry, fucking D-Money. He's gonna be chilling tomorrow. Slow Coyote. Patrick, I've been texting you on Instagram. I'm serious about coming. I'll cover my own expenses. Sorry, bro. You can't pay for your own expenses. I have to pay for everything. Then you have to ask for $500 in cash too. You need that. You got it. You know, why would you ever pay for yourself? All right, we got the close pretty much right there. We got close to the VWAP. We didn't get the VWAP, but we were real fucking close there. I do, like I said, if you look here, I kept kind of pointing out the fact that I liked these longs, end of day. We had a little bit of a fake out to the downside there, kind of broke down there, and then right back up there, 750 area. VWAP's right there at 770s. I just thought personally that it kind of made more sense, you know, if you look here at the bigger time frames, like to kind of push back up. You know, maybe overnight we sell off. Maybe tomorrow morning we're down here, you know, back into FOMC price action. Makes sense. So that's what I'm looking at. I was like, if we would have went lower here into close, it didn't really make sense. Normally, like, I think if you really kind of like go back and you back test and you look, like, I would say most days you have maybe like one good candle, right? Like one good hourly candle, and then the candles normally start kind of slowing down and getting smaller. Like very rarely do you have like 3 or 4 big red candles on the hourly chart. Yeah, it's like, I mean, it's like this is like pre-market, we dumped and then we popped there, and then we kind of go into consolidation. That's the problem too, right? Like sometimes when you're trading the smaller time frames, it's easy to be like looking at it like 1 minute chart, you're like, okay, it's gonna go down, right? It's like, oh, it's gonna go down here. It's gonna dump right here, right? Like everyone's like, oh, it's gonna dump right here. We're gonna dump right here. If we break this trend line, we're gonna sell off here. But then when you like zoom out and you look at the bigger time frames, it's like, ooh, kind of makes more sense that we just chop around here some more. Patrick, one of your ex-haters actually defended you against Reena. Well, I mean, I don't think there's really any reason not to defend me. You know? I like this guy. Somebody on Twitter. This is funny. I like when people do this. He said, you're a bit of an asshole. You think being loud and annoying gets you a positive response, but any good trader would be very dumb to listen to you. You are too distracting and very arrogant. And of course, calling your invited traders a retard is not cool. And I said, okay, retard. Okay, retard. Sounds good, retard. Oh my God. Good job. Good job, retard. Thank you for your comment. Like, what do they think I'm gonna do? Like, how am I gonna respond to that? I'm so sorry. I love when people, that like earlier, the people like, you're so loud and arrogant. It's just like, so I'm loud and I'm arrogant. Those are my problems in life. Those two problems. But I'm like, well, I mean, like, what else you want me to do? I smell lawsuits. Good luck with a lawsuit. What's she gonna do? Sue me for paying for her whole entire trip and then telling her to not come back to the BDH? I'm suing Patrick Wieland. He told me that I couldn't come to the BDH anymore. Last time I checked, this is a private fucking business. You idiot. You fucking idiot. This ain't, you know, a public area where anybody can just show up at the BDH and fucking demand to have their opinion. No, welcome to America, baby. I don't give a fuck about your opinion at the BDH. Like, this is where it all started, right? Some fucking no-name fucking simp who's trying to get Reena to fucking have sex with him. I don't know. PW on stream is holding competition between female YouTuber traders for $25,000. And about 30 minutes after open, he was berating ICT because one of the contestants to walk off, causing one. Now everything is just awkward. Must be in need of viewers though. Has his girlfriend behind him standing in a brawl. No, it's a sports brawl. Okay, it's a sports brawl. Let's be honest. Okay, imagine going there to trade for a 25,000 competition and to build your brain, and this is the shit that you deal with. Yeah, imagine that. Like, imagine that, right? Imagine that. You know, because then Reena's over here. Look. Yep, it's hard. It's tough. It's tough. It's been so tough, guys. It's been so tough because, you know, PW bought my plane ticket. He paid for my hotel. He gave me $500 for food. He paid for my blown up account. You know, he's done everything for me. It's been so tough, man. Patrick Wieland is such an asshole. He's such a terrible person. Everyone should like, we should all cancel Patrick Wieland, man. We should all cancel him. He's terrible. What a terrible person. I can't believe I did this. I can't believe that I'm a fucking nobody and I literally went to the BDH and got more followers. I can't believe that. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. You know what I mean? Like, I can't believe it. Oh my God, he's terrible. What a terrible person. Look at that. Oh, and then literally, let me make my profile on Twitter literally say, futures prop trader, mark safe from the BDH. Like, imagine that. And then put the fucking, oh, wow. She hates me so much, but guess what? She can't stop talking about me. Oh. It's amazing how that works, isn't it? What a terrible, I'm Patrick Wieland, he's so terrible. He's such a terrible person. Terrible person. Best. For the record, here was today's final scoreboard. Terry won day one and day two. I won today, and who knows what outcome would have been if I had been allowed to continue competition. All I know is now I live rent-free in PW's head. I'm proud that I conquered my fears of trading live in front of thousands, stayed true to myself throughout, hopefully conveyed some insights about realities of trading, and I made a lifelong friend. I'm off work the next 2 days, and then I head to Miami for a girls' weekend with my besties from high school and college. I call this a massive win. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cried every single day when I was trading, but yeah, it was a massive win. I proved to everybody that I can trade. I proved to them. I proved to everybody that when I'm not crying, I can trade. I'm 40 years old and I cried because someone in the chat said I was fat and ugly. I can't believe it. I can't believe I read the chat. I can't believe I cried live on YouTube. Wait, hold on a second. She's going? You hold on. Terry, oh wait, I mean Ginger, text her and ask her how she's gonna afford to have a girls' weekend in Miami. I thought she's broke. She needs that $200. See that $200. Oh. Yes, she was the girl with all the crystals. BDH for life, baby. Forgot, hey, guess what? In a couple days from now, nobody's gonna remember. No one's gonna remember who Trades by Reena is. But guess what? The BDH ain't going nowhere, boys. The tippity top. Doo, doo, doo. There it is. I'm out of here. It's been fun. We got some action coming up tomorrow. We got D Money coming in tomorrow morning. We got Terry Trades back. And we'll have a lot of fun either way. So I'm excited. It'll be an actually positive, good day of trading. We should get some good price action. The market's heating up right now, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Wild wind, Thirsty Thursdays, Turbo Thursdays, all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. All right, there it is. This is the best. She's like, I paid $250 for Uber on Sunday. $250. Like, where'd you go? What are you doing in the Uber? Like, how far did you Uber? Like, what? You know, like what? Like, whoa, how much Ubering were you doing on Sunday? How much? How much Ubering has been happening? She been Ubering a lot. Fucking A, man. She getting that the black Uber. The extra luxury Uber. Ike, you're a bad man, Ike. You're a bad man, Ike. Mike, you're a bad man. $25 ride, $225 cleanup fee. I mean, she did have her dog with her, so maybe that's the issue. Maybe. Got disconnected anyway. No, I'm back. We're disconnected. I guess I'm frozen. I think it's. I'm back. I'm back. All right. Tomorrow morning, I promise you. Tomorrow morning will be a great time. It'll be a lot of fun. I'll see you guys then. Tomorrow morning, we got D Money. He's not a girl, but he's fun in his own way. He's quiet, and he's like he's my little D Money. This is like, I basically told him that tomorrow and Friday is like his audition, right? So chat, I need y'all like busting his balls. Yeah, no, we need people. You know, we gotta test him. Is he ready for the BDH life? We can't be having another crash out. You know, I live with the mentality that everybody in the chat who talks shit about me is a fucking retard who lives in their mom's basement. So when they say stuff about me, I just kind of go, huh, that's cool. You know, I'd be mad too if I was you. So that's it. Like Trades by Slade, he definitely lives in his mom's basement. Guaranteed. No doubt in my mind. You see that guy's haircut? He'd definitely be living in his mom's basement. She'd be cutting his hair. She'd be cutting his hair for sure. Love you, Slade. We'll see you guys later. Peace to the Middle East. And T-Money looks like he eats pencil. Why'd you say that for? What's wrong with pencils? Oh, man. There we go. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East.